Well, we have one more.
Which cube should we pick?
Doesn't matter with you. All right. Here we go. Whether it's a dupe or not, that's all you guys are getting for right now. That's all we have.
Sorry. It is going to be a couple minutes.
Okay. So if you're just joining in here, this is what we're looking for. This rare Darth Maul so we can complete this set. Actually, and before we do that...
Very cool. So cool.
check this out.
The collector's map. They made a collector's map.
Oh, there we go. So we will fill this in. So let's see. Dabbler, enthusiast, connoisseur, expert, master, grandmaster, ultra. What do we have here? We have...
What's a dabbler?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay.
Can we go back to the collector's
18.
map real quick? So what is a dabbler?
Oh, this is just for that. Just one. Just like, dabble, like just like a little bit. So actually, it's just for these stuff. So, wait a second. So we have 3, 6, 8, right? So we are in the expert because we have more than 6, but not quite 9. So, all right.
Yeah,
Here we go. Let's see.
Can't wait till we're a master.
That would be great. Maybe it'll happen right now. With the rare Darth Maul. Or Grail or Ultra Grail. And you're right, because it's a rare Obi-Wan.
Yeah, I give up.
So that leaves us here at an expert. We need one more to be a master.
Yeah, I give up. Bye-bye.
Yeah, it's funny. We're saying we don't really care about the Grail because, they're hard to get or whatever. But, there are a couple of Grails in here that would be really awesome to get. So, we will see.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
We'll see.
Okay.
All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us as always. And checking the cereal. Nothing fancy to report. And sad backpack.
Wait.
What?
We have exactly 200 wrapped.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
and 24 unwrapped. So that's it. 224 of these.
And look, go to 200. We now have 3 of this guy.
Let's see. 1 rare Obi-Wan. 2 rare Obi-Wans.
We can open 1.
3 rare Obi-Wans. 4 rare Obi-Wans. So...
we can open them.
There you go. So let's see. 22.95, 29.42. Ooh, number 24. We're keeping that one. That's common. I just happen to see that low number. 13.19. 18.79. All right. So what? 29.95. This is the one. You want to open them up?
Yeah. Unwrap your Cryptoy. Oh, no. Just look at him. He's just so cool.
Alright, let's do
It opened. What?
Yeah! Oh, that's awesome. He's ready.
He's ready to fight.
Can't wait till this opens up. Play on the block. Can't wait.
It's still not open.
No, it's still not open.
It's gonna be very cool.
All right. Well, thanks for hanging, guys, and we will see you soon.
Bye-bye.